Okay. So GetElement Methods demo. So again, we are going to our blog website, e-commerce website. So you're verifying the page title in the home page, clicking on the My Account link and register. Click on register link. So you're validating this register page. So here we don't need this. I'll just remove all of them. Okay. So I have to identify the header text. I want to get it. Okay. I want to identify the header text and I want to get that. So this header text or this text you want me to fetch is fine. Anything is fine. So I'm going to fetch this header text, then this text, then we'll see that. Okay. Let's go get the header text. So we can identify this. Header text. So, and you can give. So whatever the XPath you want, XPath or CSS selector, I will write. So let me write a CSS selector for this. So I'll write from here, div h1, div id h1. So basically, how to write in CSS. You can see here.
This is equal to h1.
Div hash content. Okay, it is putting here. Okay, no problem. Greater than h1. So that's the, it is going on the top. This one I'm looking for this. So div id content h1.
It's recognizing.
So even you can take this. Okay, so you can take that, and you can write it right here. So this is also fine. You see only one h1. So that will give you XPath, CSS. So let's write CSS selector. Just give that. So now get the text. Fetch the text. Fetch the text. So sys out. Register page header text is. Header text is this element dot get text. And so if you want to get any attribute value, for example, you want to get this login page URL. This has a href, right? You can login page. So fetch the login page link URL. So I can first identify that element, web element, login link equal to, so driver dot by element by dot
CSS link text.
Can use a link or link text or CSS it's up to you. And I'm fetching the URL, right? So URL is login page link URL is plus
login link dot get
link dot get attribute of href. So href method, and then you will get the link URL. Then we have next we have so what else methods we can use, and the tooltip, anywhere tooltip is there, and so tooltip is not there. So maybe you can find out styles of this. Get CSS values also you can find out. See, this has color, okay, text type and decoration, background color. Then you have a font family, font size. So let's go and get those, some of them. Fetch the login link, CSS properties. So you can give the first color, right? Let's fetch the color. This link color is not get CSS value of color. So next fetch the font family or background color, whatever is background color. So property you can get from here, okay? This is the one. So like this, any, okay, font family also you can get it. So all this UI test cases time, these will help you, okay? These, no, you want to see whether those are proper or not, the sizes are correct or not, whether they have given, so customer we want this much font size and this font family, but they are giving a different means, you can find out here. So with this you can get it, okay? Next, fetch the location of login. So any element, you can give any element, okay? So not necessary it should be here only. Okay. And find login link location. How can we find login link X coordinate and Y coordinate? So login link X coordinate. So get rect dot get X. Same you can find the Y coordinate. So get y. So you can find the height and width of login link. So height. So under width. Get height. Get width. That's the okay. So you want to find the link name. Okay, so link name, link tag. If you want to find the link tag. Get tag name. So that's it. Still, you see, you want to check where this element is present or not. Okay, so before clicking that, maybe before fetching the data, maybe you want to check. Okay, so I want to write. So like this, I can write. So even I'm using is displayed also. If element dot is displayed, so maybe you can do this. Okay, so like this, you can write element is displayed and header text dot is enabled. You can do that. Like this also you can write conditions. Okay, so let's run the program. So done, right? All of them. So you got the data. You can see here data. See, this is the one. Height to X coordinate, Y coordinate, height, width, and E tag. So on the font family, color, background color. So these are, it will show. So next one is, so you want to check, even we can continue here itself, right? You can continue here itself. So in this page, you have few more. So if this radio button is selected, if it is not selected, I want to select the yes radio button. If it is not checked, maybe I want to check it. Then later I want to uncheck it. I'll do these two conditions. Let's see how to do that. So if it is not selected, so then I will do that. Maybe I'll take a okay, I'll write my own XPath. XPath or CSS selector I can write. So let's go and check, continue in the same, or you want me to write a different one? Boolean commands demo, you want me to write, or it's the same fine? Hmm? So first, identify the web element. Okay, web element. So yes, radio button equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. So I'm writing XPath / star square bracket @ so name equal to @1 and value equal to, so what is the value? So 1. And what is the name? Newsletter.
Newsletter.
Okay, so if so, yes, radio button is not selected. I'll put a condition: is not selected. Okay, where is not? Negation we have to add like this. Is not selected. Just click on that. That's it. Okay, so this is how you can write a conditions. All these Boolean commands you can use. Is displayed, is selected, it will give you Boolean value. So then check the, what is that? Policy, privacy policy checkbox. So I can write now. So I write a code. Okay, so same procedure. Identify first. Almost simpler logic I'm writing. So here, checkbox. Privacy checkbox. So you have to write what is the locator. You just see that. Right click. Inspect element. See, you have a name agree. So that's enough. I can see name is agree. And remaining things I can remove it. So if privacy policy checkbox, yes, I'll put a is displayed. Maybe you can check is. I'll put is selected. Is selected means you should not do anything, right? You should not do anything here. So you can say checkbox is already checked. Already checked. So where is the click action you have to write? Else spot.
Yes.
So if it is not selected, you do the click action. So maybe after some time you can write uncheck scenario. Uncheck the checkbox. So the condition almost, but you can write it 2 ways. But I'll write only if with if I'll write. Okay. Only with if how to write. If it is already selected, you want to uncheck, right? Already selected. Then click it. That's it. So you don't need further. If condition itself, if it is selected, click one more time. So it will uncheck it. That's the how you can write these Boolean commands uses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So run this and see how it is working. So we are done with all the commands. Get methods are done, and Boolean commands are done. Now let's see cookies also will practice. So very fast you have to observe that. So I'm not sure whether you observed or not. Let me run one more time. So did you observe?
Yes.
Bottom part?
Yes.
See, yes is selected, but this one is not visible. Checkbox already done. Okay. See this line, this was no hidden. Fine. So that's the how you can do that. Let's do cookies testing. So what are cookies? You can take the same website, okay? Not necessarily different website. So I'll just copy this. I'll rename this as a cookies. Cookies test. Cookies test. You don't need to go to register page also, but you can try here itself. This one account. Okay. Now let's. So you need to add the cookies. Cookies are basically used for remembering your browsed history, and also any data if you want to remember. Cookies will help you. So cookies has key value and expiry date, and also domain name, and they have a name, cookie value, cookie domain, cookie path, expiry date. These are the properties of every cookie. Or even you can add the cookie to the browser also. How to add the cookie? So there is a cookie class in Selenium. So you should understand that cookie class. So if you go to selenium.dev, so selenium.dev and downloads, go to documentation of this API docs, and you can go frames, and so here you can see cookies. Cookie. So here you can see cookie has a lot of constructors we have. So if you want to use this constructor, you need to provide name and value with this object. So I'm going to use this cookie constructor. I'll create object. So create object for the cookie class. So cookie CKOB is equal to new cookie class. So you have to give the my test cookie, so double quotes, you have to give the value. So the value you can give. So like this, you can give value, cookie value. So import this cookie class from org.openkey.selenium package. You have to import. Now, how to add this cookie to the browser? Now, this cookie is not there in the browser. So how to add it? So how to add the? So if you want to see, I'll show you that. Then I will add. So is it fine, or immediately we can add? How to add the cookie? So how you want? You want me to show first? This cookie is not present, or then we will add it?
Yeah, show it first.
Okay, good.
After that,
So we will add. So fetch all the cookies. Fetch all the cookies that are present in the browser. Okay, so set cookie seeking collection equal to driver dot, so manage method dot get cookies. Get cookies. So you write a set collection, import the set, and now you print this. Now you will come to know all the. So if you want, you iterate it. Number of cookies. Number of cookies. So you can see that CK collection dot size method. So these are all the cookies. Okay. So now you can print also, but by using for loop. For so what is the data type of this collection? Cookie type. So cookie type CK colon CK collection. This out. So get the cookie name. Okay. So cookie name plus CK dot get name. If you want value, CK dot get value. Okay. So domain CK dot get domain. Path get path. So cookie expiry date. Get expiry. If you want same site, something we need to see. Okay. Same site. Okay, so it's going to end. Let's finish this on time. CK dot get same site. Okay. And run this. Okay. So let's run this.
What is meant by same?
So this is a cross origin site, something. So this open, right? This same site or not, it will get. Okay. Cross origin site, something we call that. Done. So you can see all the values here. This is more loggers. Same site is none. It is okay. Now you can see total how many are there? 5 cookies. Name, value, and then name, value. Name, value. See, our test cookie is not here. Name, value. Name, value. That's it, right? It's not there. So now I will add how to add the cookie to the browser. So add cookie to the browser. So how to add the cookie to the browser? So driver dot. So manage method dot add. So just cookie object, you pass it. So now you fetch it. Now the count will increase by 1, right?
Yeah.
So increase by 1. Run it. See, the count is 6. Before it was 5. Now you can see our cookie name, my test, and value is this one. So like this, you can test whether your cookies are there or not. Then, so how to delete the cookie? So driver dot manage method dot delete cookie. See, delete cookie name you can give. So based on the name, you can delete cookie based on the cookie object. I'm giving by name. So I'll give this one. So then you get the cookie collection, okay? It should be 5, right? It should be 5.
Yes.
So cookie collection 1. Cookies after 1 cookie deletion.
1.
1. So let's run this. And you can delete the number of cookies also. All the cookies you can delete. So if you delete all the cookies, the collection size should be 0. So you go and see that. See now 5. So that's no more is going to present, and delete all the cookies. This is the one you are going to use in your so automation in the beginning. First you will clear the cache, right? Clear the cache means call this delete all cookies method, okay? So how to do that? Driver dot manage method dot delete all cookies. So for getting all the cookies, you have a get cookies method. For deleting all the cookies, you have delete all cookies with a driver dot manage method after. So then you try to fetch the values after deleting all the cookies. So maybe you can give 2. So number of cookies after deleting all. This. So you can write the that's it. So we can see now here 30. Okay. So this is how you can use cookies. And now let's go and see what topic we can cover. Another 4 minutes. So next I need to cover links related, but before that I will cover scrolling, how to scroll the pages. That one I'll cover. Maximize the window we are seeing. Read comments, how to scroll the pages. So you can scroll the pages. Just 1 minute. So how to scroll the pages? Why you want to scroll? The page content will be in the bottom side. So this is the, you want to scroll, you want to see the content or some elements, you need to scroll the pages. How you can scroll? So we need to use the JavaScript executor interface. So JavaScript executor interface will help you to scroll the pages. So this one, JavaScript executor, first you have to declare the variable of JavaScript executor and point to the driver variable. But driver is a WebDriver type. So that's why JavaScript executor is another interface. So both are different interface types. So that's why this driver you have to convert into JavaScript executor format. That's why you're typecasting here. So you're converting the driver also to JavaScript executor format. Now you got that this variable JSX dot. In this JavaScript executor, we have a execute script method. Execute script method we have to use. So this method will scroll the basically this method will execute any JavaScript code. Any JavaScript code it will execute. This is the code you have to write. So window dot scroll by, you have to give horizontal 0, vertical some pixels. So approximately give pixels, 1000 pixels or 500 pixels. Based on that, it will vertically scroll. Then you want to scroll up. Just give vertical scroll negative value. It will scroll up. So that's how to same method, but window dot scroll by is the JavaScript code. This JavaScript code. Any JavaScript code, if you want to execute, use this execute script method. That's the one thing. So you want to scroll based on the based on the element. This is the script. A JavaScript executor object execute script, arguments of 0 dot scroll into view true and give the element. This one will scroll for this element. You give the element based, it will scroll. Okay, and even you can scroll by keys also. If send case method you're using, keys dot down, it will scroll down. If keys dot up will scroll up. So this is the thing, and I'll show you tomorrow in the code how to scroll down and scroll up with this JavaScript executor, how to scroll for an element, how to